Right. So shortly after 7 o'clock today, this morning, we were dispatched to a house explosion. Multiple units from across the region responded to this event. The initial fire department was Dagsboro Fire Department. We had over 100 firefighters that responded to this scene, and I'm going to pass it off to my cohorts here to tell you the rest of where we're at right now.
Perfect. Do you mind if you could just take the little microphone, just kind of pass it down the line for me? Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Where's your cover?
Yeah, same thing then. If you could also kind of just give us your name.
Glenn, Glenn, Marshall, Marshall, Sussex County EMS. So again, we were dispatched for a house explosion, possible entrapment. We did in fact find one person that was pulled from the rubble that we transported to a local hospital, and unfortunately during the rescue efforts we did find another individual deceased. So we are not releasing any names at this time. It's an open investigation. I'm going to turn it over to the Delaware State Fire Marshal for anything further.
B. Scott Bullock. B. First initial B. Scott, S-C-O-T-T. Bullock, B-U-L-L-O-C-K. I am Chief of Investigations for the Office of the State Fire Marshal. Shortly after the fire department was responded to the call, the Fire Marshal's office was notified to handle the investigation. Members of our major incident response team are on scene, along with a special agent with the ATF to assist us with that investigation. We also have members of the Delaware State Police to assist us in the investigation. So it's a joint investigation, and it is in its beginning stages. So these investigations are very complex and take a long period of time to come to a conclusion. We will have members on scene throughout the day collecting evidence and data related to the incident. Typically, that requires further analyzation and testing at an off-site location. So no determination into this incident will likely happen anytime soon. I can't give a time frame, a deadline of when we'll have a determination in the origin and cause of the incident, but we do have members on scene conducting the investigation as we speak.
You want to talk to me?
If you have
anything
to add.
Nothing extra to add than what he has said, other than I'm just going to say that state police is currently assisting. Okay.
They said they have answered.
We're going to describe it as a single-family dwelling.
Yep, I'm good.
We're still determining.
Are you ready?
Sir.
Master Corporal Lewis Briggs, Delaware State Police Public Information Officer. Delaware State Police are currently assisting the Office of the State Fire Marshal with the investigation. We're providing additional resources such as investigators and evidence collection.
I was going to say, you guys said that you don't know cause or anything at this point, still looking into it. And you say you don't have a timeline kind of when that'll be figured out. That makes sense. And just to...
I know they both belong to the same company, but...
Mine has a magnet on it.
There you go.
There we go. And we will
That's
figure it
okay.
out. Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. I was going to say, and so you didn't have a timeline for when it would be figured out. And then just to confirm...